Alright guys, thanks for watching. So, the York Regional Police have just dismantled the Funguyz, what's it called? Mushroomery? Mushroom store here at 488 East Main. They're completely dismantling it inside. As you can see, they're actually taking the stickers down. I assume they've taken all of the product. That's all probably gone. I don't know if they've arrested anyone or taken anyone into custody, but they are continuing their raid here at 488 East Main. I have heard in the news that they have been targeting a lot of these illegal stores, although there is some question as to whether they are actually illegal. I'm not sure that aspect of it. Anyway, just thought I'd bring you a quick update on what is happening here. There's still a ton of cars here, a ton of the undercover cars here, and pretty much that's it. It's oh yeah, they're bringing out stuff here. You can see they're confiscating contraband, and I think there's probably merch and stuff they're taking out. They got guys working on the signs, peeling those off. Oh yeah. Lots and lots of stuff they're taking out of there. What does that time say? 1:48. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. And there you go. Leave a like and subscribe.